Sanibonani ninjani, welcome to my YouTube channel. Board members, if you've been part of the channel, izandla zidlula ekhanda. If umusha la, hayibo ungadluli ngendlela, subscriber and utshela abanye abantu ngale channel. Namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngoMusa KHAWULA okade kulokhu kunamahlebezi ukuthi ukhona owesilisa amgwaza wambulala. Yebo kumpela kunjalo. Useuqinisekisiwe lokho nguSweetness owayengupartner kaWandile Khambule owashona ebulawa nguMusa KHAWULA. Lento ke lesehlakalo senzeke kuwo lonyaka lo uMarch ngomhla ka4 eCape Town. Ngokusho kuka Sweetness uthi nje babehlalele nesinqandamatha sakhe ntambama nje kwathi ikhathi selithi lo ilahla konina waqhamuka uMusa engazange acelwe umuntu uthi wafika nje impela wangqongqoza endlini wasecela ukubonana ke noKhambule. Uthi ka Sweetness ngathi mina hayi hambani yokhulumela eminyango usinake impela baphuma ke bayokhuluma eminyango. Uthi kusenjaleza nokuthi bayakhuluma eminyango wathi qiqa hayibo wezwa ngomsindo hayibo na umuntu sebegijimisana wathi uthi uyabheka ngewindow hayibo uMusa uphethe inhloko hlela yombese ugijimisa uKhambule. Uthi kuKhambule wabaleka wamemeza wazi wayowela ngasemotweni ekasisi kabhuti wakhe kusho uSweetness ke intombazana. Uthi ke kusenjalo bambana bebanga lombese wagijima kanaye waphuma nomngani wakhe bafika. Uthi amazwi okugcina wakhumbulayo asho uKhambule ewatshela uMusa wathi ngiyacela mfethu ungixolele mangabe kukhona okubi engikwenzile kuwena kodwa mina angiyithandi irelationship yami nawe. Uthi ke kwathi kusenjalo hawu kalakatha wawaphansi washona. But before ashone wathi seshonile bambuza uMusa ukuthi uyenzelani lento wathi yinja yethu le vele sengimbulele. Uthi ke uMusa waphinde ke uthi ko Sweetness uMusa waphinde wamluma ulimi hayi nami senginamanga amluma ngulimi wamluma ilips lelo lingenzansi walihlafuna maqede walihlafuna qede waluphu waphimisela ke he kunjalo basho njalo. Uthi ke uSweetness babe sebefonela amaphoyisa ke afika base beyamthatha keke. Usithi ke lentathele ebhalelo oludaba ngaphela namalibhalwa ngamina ethi ke sebeyabuzile amaphoyisa ukuthi hebana uMusa kanti wenze njani wayengaboshwa. uVan Wyk lapha eKapa uvumile ukuthi likhona icala elavulwa kodwa futhi lelisa investigator. Yonke lento esikhuluma nganje yenzeke kuwona lo nyaka ngoMarch ngomhla ka4. Yeah, but kwakuyikhathi nje zangabo past 7 amaphoyisa efika ethola lo owesilisa elele enamanxeba ogwazwa egqoke ibhulu elimnyama esoshonile. Uyavuma uFan Wyk ukuthi 20-year-old isuspect yaboshwa ke iboshela ukubulala oneminyaka ewu35 ekuthiwa uKhambule. Uthi ke untazinga lo bantombazane lo obejola ke nalo washona. Uthi lolu suku lumphatha kabo akakwazi nje ukulala ebusuku ngoba aka understand ukuthi kungani uMusa engakaboshwa njengamanje. Amaphoyisa ase Eastern Cape athe hayi man ase Cape Town athi lo daba lolu kwangumele uMusa aphinda abuyele enkantolo ngoJune ngomhla ka26 kodwa uMusa ke akabuyele. Hayi ke iyona ndaba ke le enkulu ke ukuthi uMusa ngempela hayi bo baza bangithumela abantu ba message kwenze njani ukuthi ngempela wambulala. But ke ngoba naku seselizwile leli side ake sizwe iside lika Musa eyikhulumela na esho ukuthi kungani ngalolu abusuku bangomhla ka23 March kwenzakalani. Nangu Musa eyichazela awuchaze ndoda.
Ask one more last personal question. Now I'm leaving now.
Yeah, you can ask me anything.
Is it true that Onale KC murder?
That's where the danger is. That's where the danger is. And I wanted to address it, but I wanted someone to ask me about it. And then we can literally get to it. Because I think the whole time, that's what you wanted to ask me. You're just going around in circles and whatnot. It doesn't matter, but we'll get to that. I'm not going to get, for now, I'm not going to get to it in much detail, but I'm going to give context because I don't have secrets. But I'm going to get to it. But I'm also going to be very selective about what I say, only because I'm wanting to use my platform to address that. It doesn't mean I won't address it, but I will. But for now, I'm going to give you context. And the context is not me getting abused for 2 years, bearing scars for 2 years, from the time when I met Wandile till the last day when I saw him. And how do I put it? But the main aspect of this whole thing is I survived, I lived, and I'm not going to feel bad for living, because I also know that in that particular night, I could have died. So, in not so many words, I hope that answers your question, but I don't want you to think that I walk around thinking of fucking murdering people or fucking killing people. I am walking around thinking, bitch, you survived. On that night, you could have died. And that's where my shit is. So you can bring it to the gender-based violence. You can take it how you want to take it. But I know that for whatever reason, it was not me who died. So, and y'all are not going to shame me for living when I could have died twice in a week, getting stabbed, my friend is calling me. But I know that in that particular week, I survived one death after getting abused for 2 years. But that was, I would say, the most intense week. But I am not getting shamed for living. Hence, I never wanted to address it. I never.
Ayike nimzwile kuMusa ekhulumela ukuthi impela wakwenza wambulala kodwa sikwakuyi self defense. Asazi sasingekho. Bye yo.